bathroom temple. She likes to take her food out of the dish and put it on the floor. She ate it. Why? I don't know. It's a habit she has. Kenzi's over there. Say hi, Kenzie. Say hi, Kenzie. Hi, Kenzie. There she is. There you are. It's not cordless, but the cord can go pretty far. Yeah, this red pea just started, it's more like a pink, a light red, just started, oh, I don't know, I guess last night. I didn't know what it was. There's some right there, actually, on the floor. I don't know if it's picking it up under the... I don't know if y'all could really see that. It's too dark. It's kind of dark. Hold on. This camera's good in the dark and oh, and there's more right now. Where she was just sitting. See that? Like everywhere. This is really bothering me. It's right. I have no idea what this is. I assume it's a kidney or bladder problem or a gastrointestinal problem. I don't know what to do, and I don't think this will get probably any views, and I don't know really know how to help. She's now using the bathroom, and this will tell me maybe she's just having a period, a menstrual cycle. I know most cats don't, but it's not unheard of. She's going to the bathroom, and this will tell me if it is in fact in her urine. Well, it wouldn't really anyways, would it? She goes poopies, it'll tell me. It might help to tell me where this is originating. If it's in her pee, it probably isn't her gastrointestinal, which is good in that sense. Hold on. So it doesn't seem to be in her urine, which is actually really bad. Means it probably is her gastrointestinal. But God knows what's in there. Seems to be uncomfortable in general. You okay, girl? She's just going over to, I don't know. It might pass. She actually has had this happen this has happened at least once before, something similar, where I came upstairs after being downstairs one day, and then there was a spot of what looked like dried blood on the floor. And then I believe it happened there's a spot like that, time before that, and it was fine after. She's going again to the bathroom, so this is, I don't know. She's going again to the bathroom, so. Okay, this is Poopy, so I'm gonna check and see. Hopefully, she'll get out whatever's bothering her in her system. I know she has worms, so I'm gonna change. Tomorrow I'm changing her box and possibly washing sheets and stuff, and yeah. I'm gonna give her Cestex, which is a worm medicine. So, I'm gonna see what's up, and try to see what we can do. Cool. Hold on. How is she? Hopefully you feel better, right? I just checked her stools and it looks like it could have been some kind of obstruction in there. It was misshapen, and it was like a lot of it, so hopefully whatever the problem was relieved, I hope. Well, we will we'll see, and yeah, we'll see exactly, and hopefully we'll be alright, and hopefully she'll be alright. Here she is. Say hi again, Rushy. Hi again, Rushy. You alright? Alright? See? Yeah. Gonna just now I think actually we're gonna be alright. So yeah, so that was a little ordeal. Hopefully hopefully she gets better, and yeah. Alright, bye people. I'll be back.